guys, welcome to Mitch's Music. Today we are going to do another easy song on guitar that you can learn really quickly. And this is another Journey song, believe it or not. This one's a little faster than Don't Stop Believing, but today we are going to learn Any Way You Want It. And what I'm going to show you is pretty much the part that repeats throughout the song. So it's a chord part along with a little intermediate riff in between. So it might take you a little bit of time to get up to speed to play along with the recording, but in this video at the end I'm going to do a slow version and a fast version that you can play along with to build up your speed. So before we get started, let me show you the riff and what we're going to do. And as always in my videos, if you don't want to do the bar chords, all you have to do is the lower note. Let me just show you that version first. So the easier version without chords would just be this. Alright, so other than adding the chords in, your part's going to be pretty much the same. So with chords it would just be... Alright, so let's learn what these are. So we're going to start with a G. That's the first one. So at the beginning, you're just doing that. And then this is an F sharp with /D. So this is a D/F sharp. And so you can play it with the chord just like this. So G, F/F, D/F sharp, then E. Alright, so this riff, those are the chords and that goes in between every single time. So this little riff in between, you're just going to go between the 3rd fret and the 2nd fret, and there's a tab below that you can follow along with. So it's just going to go... So you're just going back between that. Let's try it together. 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, open. So that's the first one, so all the way through. Then does it again. Then it's going to go 3, then to the D string. So that's 3, D, 2nd, D, 3, 2, open. And that's it. That's the song that repeats the whole time. So let's do the first one and then the second one. 1, 2, ready, and 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2 seconds. Alright, and so throughout the song they're going to play some version of that. Sometimes it's slightly different, but that's pretty much the basis of what they want to do. If you want to play exactly as they do it every single time, then you'll have to listen to the slight variations, but that's the general idea. So this one the first time, and this one the second time. And the only time that it doesn't follow that pattern is at the very beginning where it's just going to do a combination of both of them. So when it starts out at the beginning, it sounds like this. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for a slow version of this tab and a fast version that you can play along with. If you have any requests, leave those in the comments below. And if you would like to learn more from me as far as how to join some group lessons or even some individual lessons with me via Zoom or even in person, then you can find out how to do that in the description below. And if you enjoy these videos, guys, click that like button and that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.